In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an image background in Polotno Studio. We're going to keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without any confusion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take an image on your canvas and turn its background transparent with just one click, ready for overlays, collages, or clean product shots. First, open your web browser and go to studio.polotno.com. This takes you straight into the Polotno Studio editor. You'll see a blank canvas or your current project if you've been working there already. If you already have an image placed on the canvas, you're set. If not, make sure your image is visible on the canvas so you can select it. The key is that the image you want to edit must be on the canvas before you proceed. Next, select the image you want to edit by clicking directly on it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or handles appear around the image. This selection step is important because the background removal tool only shows up when the image is active. If you accidentally click off the image and lose the selection, just click the image again to bring it back. With the image selected, look for the Image Elements toolbar. This toolbar appears close to your selected image or in the interface controls and gives you options specific to that image. You're looking for the button labeled Remove Background. If you don't see it right away, make sure the image is still selected and give the editor a second to load the toolbar options. The Remove Background button only appears for image elements, not shapes or text. When you're ready, click the Remove Background button. Polotno will send your image to its cloud service to process the cutout. This usually only takes a few moments, depending on your internet connection and the complexity of the image. While it's working, avoid clicking on other elements so the operation can finish smoothly. Once it's done, the result will automatically replace the original on your canvas, and the background will be transparent. You'll still be able to move, resize, and layer the image over any background or design you like. If the result needs a touch-up, remember you can use the undo button to revert and try again with a different image or improved lighting and contrast. High contrast photos with clear separation between the subject and background tend to produce the cleanest edges. That's all you need to quickly remove an image background in Polotno Studio. Keep experimenting and enjoy the clean, professional look this gives your designs.